Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 user account not appearing on login screen. First method is right-click Start button, click Run, type lusrmgr.msc. Double-click to open user properties. Uncheck account is disabled. Second method is type Edit Group Policy in Windows search bar, click Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates, click and expand System, click Log On. Open Enumerate Local Users on DOM in Joined Computers, change to Enabled. Open Hide Entry Points for fast user switching, change settings to Disabled. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.